Welcome back. In news from overseas, the United States says a ceasefire between Israel and Lebanon will be extended by 3 weeks following talks at the White House. President Donald Trump told media his approach to Iran is working very well and later said he doesn't want to rush into any deal with Tehran. Tensions remain high and the U.S. military says it has seized a vessel carrying Iranian oil in the Indian Ocean, while Trump said the U.S. has total control of the Strait of Hormuz and warned it would shoot and kill any boats attempting to lay mines. In response, Iranian leaders are projecting what they call iron unity, rejecting claims of internal divisions. Meanwhile, Israel's defense minister says forces are ready to resume conflict with Iran if backed by Washington, raising fears of a wider regional war.
And the primetime news package continues with sports right after this break.